Hey there! In this episode of Analytics Academy, I'm going to show you how you can use a tool called Attributor to capture Google Ads data in Formidable forms so you can see which campaigns, ad groups, and keywords are driving your leads. Let's jump in! Attributor is a small bit of code you add to your website. When a visitor lands on your site, it detects where they came from and saves the data in a cookie. Then when they complete a form on your website, it writes the data into hidden fields in the form, and the data is captured by your form tool and can be sent to your CRM and other tools. Finally, you can use this data to run reports that show things like how many leads you got from your Google Ads, how many customers you got from each of your Google Ads campaigns, or how much revenue you got from each keyword you're bidding on. Now that you understand how it works, let's see how easy it is to set up. When you sign up for a free trial, you'll get given a bit of code to add to your website. Depending on what theme you're using, you should just be able to copy it, go to the settings section, and paste it in. You can also use plugins like add header and footer code to add the code in, or add it via Google Tag Manager. Now go to the form you want Attributor to work with and drag and drop 6 hidden fields to the bottom of the form. Now open up each of these form fields and give it a name and a default value. That's it, you're done. Now when someone completes a form on your website, Attributor will write information on where they came from into these hidden fields, and it will be captured by Formidable forms. You can then include this information in your lead notification emails, store it in a spreadsheet, send it to your CRM, whatever you need. To learn more and start a free trial, visit attributor.io today.